Why does Dad behave like this? He has no concern about the neighborhood or the location. All he wants is a wine shop nearby, that's it. Huh. Manju? It is bigger than this house. For the four of us, it looks like a palace. The house is a bit old. After getting it painted, it won't be a problem. The outside work can be sorted later on. There's one thing which actually makes you very happy. The kitchen is very beautiful. Trust me. Hey, are you listening to me?
I'm just listening. What else can I do? You will only see the house, you will only decide. Ladies are not supposed to give their opinions, right? That is what your policies are.
I think you've not yet understood me. Who knows about your likings apart from me in this whole world? When I was searching for the house, I knew what your likings were. I can look at the house on behalf of you.
Very first time in our life, we are buying a new house. Any girl would like to go with her husband and look for that new house. Sitting behind your scooter, very close to you.
Why are you behaving like a small kid? Are you sad because I went with my dad? If I hadn't taken him with me, he would have felt sad.
It's going to hurt you if your father feels sad. And what about my feelings? You don't care at all.
What is this? Why would you think like that? What are you lacking over here?
No, what am I lacking over here? I'm very happy. Wake up in the morning, go to the kitchen, cook something, serve you food, eat that. But I'm not supposed to talk about my desires. That is how a wife should be. And that is a woman.
Sleep. Don't talk anymore. Turn this side. Look at me. Sweetheart, don't be angry. Okay. Why did you not bring your wife? Look at this. You guys have come here like bachelors. Where are your wives?
They are all very busy. General body, local meeting, state meeting, etc. and all.
He is in excitement that he has got a new family. Doesn't matter what time it is, he is going to come here.
Balan. Dad, it's Balan. Come Bala. Why did you not bring Usha and mother?
You know her nature,
Please
right?
come in. Please come.
Hello.
Welcome.
Oh, everyone have arrived. Let's not delay it. Let's start the celebration. Come, please come. Come.
Dad, let's begin.
Start the ritual.
Come, Mom. You do it.
No, let her do it.
Yes, only the people who are fortunate should do this.
Oh, will you keep quiet? When good things are happening, why are you pulling her leg?
Mom, please come.
No, it's okay.
Please come.
Go, she's calling, right?
Oh my lord.
Oh, I think it's time for me to leave.
Even today you need to go to bank.
The staffs are real useless. Once I reach the bank, I will get to know about their problems. Mom, I'll take a leave. See you, everyone. Dad, make sure there's no cat fight in the house.
Hello.
Sorry, we got late. We had an executive meeting. By the by, who's that old people sitting there? Oh, he's my father. The one who is fat is my husband's father. Oh.
All these old people are waste. Dispose them off as soon as possible.
Please come.
Come.
Look at the way they are staring at us.
Who are these people? They all are our neighbors.
Looking at their looks and style, I think they seem to be troublesome.
Be quiet. They might hear.
Okay.
What is this? Though the house looked small from outside, we thought it would be beautiful. But after coming to the kitchen, we lost all the impression.
Yeah, there is no enough space to turn around. During recent trend, a kitchen without utility area is hard to imagine. Ayyo, it's horrible.
When you come to see this house, didn't you observe all these things?
Actually, I didn't come here. My husband and his father came to see.
Never mind, Manju. After a few days, demolish this and build a new house.
What kind of a person is your husband? Will he listen to you? Will he take your opinions to all the decisions to be made?
Face is the index of the mind, right?
It's not like that. For all the things, I'll definitely give my suggestions. But
And final decision will always be his. That's the truth.
not like that.
Look at me, Manju. This is not only your problem. The wife is more dominated. It is common in every house.
Women should be united. That's the only solution for this problem.
All like-minded women should be together. To address all these kind of issues, we have Women Equality Association. Men and women are equal. That is our motto.
Ganga, you please give her
Oh,
our
yeah.
brochure. Manju, when you have some time, please pay attention and read this. This is interesting and thrilling too.
Manju, from today, you don't think that you are alone. You can call us for any help and at any time. We are all there for you.
By the way, Manju, next month's meeting is in my home. You should definitely come, okay?
Saturday, it's 23rd.
Don't forget the date.
Okay, darling. See you.
Bye.
Bye, Manju.
Bye, Manju. She's a very cute girl, right?
Yes, she is.
Women is not men's slave. She is brave enough. Cooking and serving is not alone women's job. If anything happens to women, we will surely fight for it.
Come on. I didn't know you were such a kid.
Try to understand, Willie. I just went to the meeting out of curiosity and they asked about higher officer. And to my bad time, I said he is problematic. That's it.
But they have thrown a net and they're waiting for me, right?
Oh, how will I know that they are feminist?
Speaking like a feminist is just fooling people. Just because they didn't get a man's love, they are just showing their frustration. First they start cursing the men, then the whole world will show their anger towards the men they think. To fall in love, I'm a man here and I'm ready for all those things. Why are you joining in this kind of shit?
Yeah. Even I'll be seeing you only once or twice in a year. If you disappear here, then you will appear only in Dubai.
You are speaking as if I'm going on a round trip. I'm just going for a survivor purpose. In a 5-star hotel, they've asked for a swimming coach, that's all.
In that case, you do one thing. You complete all these works and then you can come and meet me.
Hey, you got angry for that. I was just joking around, that's all.
You know they are waiting for me in the meeting.
Going is all fine. Don't sign any papers, that's all.
Haha, okay.
Why isn't Manju here yet?
She will come. She will definitely come.
We have already told everything and explained it, right?
She's an educated girl with worldly knowledge. She'll definitely come.
If we get to know that males are dominating, at least in the house or even in the office, we are not going to tolerate it. We are supposed to react to it very immediately. None of us are supposed to step back from this decision. We expect you to cooperate in all possible ways to this. Hey woman, what do you say, Ganga Devi?
Hey, see, Manju is here.
Manju, come. Why are you standing here? Come inside. Come.
Oh, hi.
Welcome to Women Equality Association.
Are heartily welcome. Thank you.
I'm so happy.
Thank you.
Come, please come.
Please come. Let's discuss about the important thing.
This Nirosha's issue is becoming bigger and bigger.
What can we do if you just say that? She should write a complaint and give.
Huh.
Ma'am, please give me some more time.
Just by hearing Govinda Kutti's name, she's shivering.
The warrior who fears in the battlefield will be defeated and also be killed.
Which Govinda Kutti are you talking about?
The bank manager where Nirosha works. He is a womanizer. His name is Govinda Kutti.
Please sit. Why are you so hurry?
I don't have time. My husband will come home.
Why are you so scared of your husband, Manju?
Yes,
Sit.
sit.
Are you scared he will hit you?
We'll kill him. A drop of tears comes from Manju's eyes. We all will kill him.
Listen to me, Manju. Now we are not alone. We all of us are together.
Yes.
Manju, you did not tell your husband's name.
Govindan Kutti. Oh. The same person you were talking about.